Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a high sugar diet to get six-pack ripped. And I'm going to talk a little bit about my workouts and also what I eat in a day. So stick around for this video because I'm going to show you what I'm eating as well. But right now it's about 11:30 and I'm headed to the gym to do a workout. So I like to do my workouts fasted. I typically work out around 11 a.m. and I have my first meal around 1 p.m. I find that when I eat before my workout, I just don't do as well. So I like to work out fasted and I drink water throughout the morning to stay hydrated. So I've been eating a high carb, now known as a high sugar diet, for about 12 years. And this is how I stay shredded all year long. And my current routine is I'm working out 4 to 5 days a week, and I alternate between gym, like strength training workouts, and running. So today I'm going to the gym. Yesterday I did a run. Tomorrow I might have a rest day. I'll work out 2 to 3 days and then I'll have a rest day. Now my strength training workouts are super simple. I quite often do them in my garage. I like to do body weight moves for the most part. I do a lot of pull-ups, push-ups, squats, jump lunges. So I just do a lot of body weight workouts. You can check out my workout playlist and you're gonna see workouts that I do. My workouts are generally 6 to 9 sets. I'll do like a pull, a push, a leg, a pull, a push, a leg. I may do 2 or 3 rounds just depending on the day, and that's about it. So I keep it real simple, but I go really hard on the sets, and that's pretty much it on that. And then on the days that I run, I'll run maybe 3 to 5 miles. And those are my workouts, really basic and simple, but very effective. As far as my eating routine, again, I have my first meal at 1 p.m. and I generally finish eating around 7 to 8 p.m. So I'm fasting around 18 hours a day. And I always start with either a fruit or a smoothie, and then vice versa. I'll have fruit smoothie, fruit or a smoothie. And then until dinner, I'll usually start off with like a salad, and then typically something that's like cooked plant-based. So I'll show you what I ate in a day. This was actually what I ate yesterday. Headed to the gym for a good workout. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. I want to mention on Sunday, I'm gonna go live. I'm doing a live stream on Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So if you want a high sugar diet Q&A live stream, make sure you check it out this Sunday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. And here is what I ate yesterday. So at 1 p.m. I started off with watermelon, and that's my favorite food of all time. Super delicious, hydrating, and I just absolutely love it. Then next up at 2 p.m. I had pineapple, and I've been getting some pretty good pineapples from the little vegetable stand that I go to. They sell fruits and vegetables, and the pineapples have been pretty darn good. So I've been getting those off and on when I can find a good one. I would say pineapples might be my second favorite food of all time. Then at 3 p.m. I made a smoothie. This had 3 frozen bananas, 2 dates, 1 cup of frozen blueberries. It had an acai packet, had 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a half a cup of almond milk, and a half a cup of coconut water. So that was super delicious. Then for dinner around 6:30, I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, avocado, tomatoes, and carrots. And I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on Dave's seeded bread. And then I was still a little bit hungry, so I had a big bowl of pasta right after that. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.